she goes in there and nails it.
That's my
And
Lauren.
comes out all smiles because she knows she did a good job. And she proved me wrong, which is worth its weight in gold.
Which tells you she can do it all along.
Exactly. Which
I know.
drives me even more insane.
Other things at home, same issue.
You know, so.
No, I know. I know. That's why she's riding once a week. So,
If you saw anything that I do,
It's pretty funny. Things that you do? Okay.
anything that I
She
may
does that
do.
you're doing? She
Yeah.
turned a little bit early and then is drifting right. Ride the canter, not the jump. Sit up. She gets your stick. She'll never stick.
well, that's on her.
See how her legs are coming back and the heels are coming up?
Mine do that.
Hmm?
Mine do that.
Yep. She needs to sit down. She's a little bit, and she's leaning way to the left. You watch when she comes around, you'll see how much longer her left stirrup is than her right.
Yep.
See, her whole saddle's going to the left.